What's up, guys, and welcome XRP family. Today, I'm going to get down into Ripple's Chief Technological Officer and how he is refuting a claim by a disgruntled investor about Ripple and XRP being a disgrace. Okay, and then I'm going to talk about a little experience I had with an XRP investor at the Bitcoin convention, actually, and it tied that all back into where I see XRP in the next coming months and years. So before we get down to it, if you have not done so, please destroy that subscribe button. Everybody hits it and like this video. Drop your comments down below. I want to hear what you guys want to talk about. I want to hear what you guys think about XRP and other cryptocurrencies alike. So David Schwartz, Ripple's Chief Technology Officer, has come to the defense of XRP in their price performance in a recent tweet. Okay. So his claim is that he is stating that XRP has outperformed Bitcoin and Ethereum on a year-to-date basis. So, for example, everybody else is down. Everyone is down. This is a bear market, okay? But he is claiming that XRP is only down 45%, okay? So I want to make us clear that XRP is down almost 90% from its all-time high of $3.40 that was reached all the way back in 2018, okay? So that is a huge decline in relative to Bitcoin and Ethereum, okay? So Bitcoin is not down 86%, okay, since 2018. So there's a few external circumstances that as XRP investors, you guys are probably all aware of, but if you are not, I'm going to touch on those and just give my thoughts on why that $3.40 being the starting point for this decline of almost 90% was during a bull market. So that might not be the best price point to use in comparison. Okay, so touch on that. Ripple XRP is the sixth highest cryptocurrency behind Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, BNB, and USDC. Okay, so it is still impressive at $23.2 billion market cap, but right now they are in the midst of that huge SEC battle, amongst other things, with implementation into the banking system. So let's get down into the details and find out why. All right, so firstly, let's look at the chart. You can see Ripple's trading about sideways at that 48 cent line. Couple good days above 50 cents, but right now we're pretty much stuck around the high 40s in the last 7 days to a month in their price chart. If we zoom out, you can see where everybody experienced that decline from the all-time high in 2018. We had a little spike in the 2021 bull run, and then it has been steadily decreasing since then. So relative to their CTO's claims, I don't think it's fair to use that 86% in his defense, because that is basis on 2018, and rather he is looking at the yearly chart in comparison to Bitcoin and Ethereum, which would have a slightly less percentage when you look at the price of XRP being 64 cents at its high in 2021 at the start of the bull run. So funny story, just to tie it in, XRP was a coin that I never really got into starting out, but taking an Uber ride in Miami, the Uber driver had some pretty strong sentiments about XRP as that was the only cryptocurrency that he invested in. And he absolutely got wrecked. So it's important to keep in mind, this is why you want to diversify your portfolio, your wallet, and spread your money out with your within your bag to meet your financial goals and risk tolerance. Not financial advice, it's just general investing 101, where you want to diversify. Okay, so this is important tidbit to note when we look about Ripple in the longer term, okay? So everybody who's aware of how XRP ownership is and the controversy, how SEC declared it a security, and now they're in lawsuits, and the giant sell-off because people were scared that all the XRP holdings would go to zero or be untradeable because of this SEC ruling. However, now XRP is displaying more characteristics of actually being decentralized. Okay, so the Ripple is the firm that has the large XRP ownership. Okay, so their holdings are below 50% for the first time. And that is important because the way that the nodes work and all of that validating transactions and everything, the firm only has 4 of the 130 plus validating nodes, which is huge. Okay, so that is a big milestone that will make ethics, speed, security, scalability, that will really bring that out to the forefront when you're kind of evaluating these tokens and seeing which ones you're comfortable investing in. Okay, so when you want to truly be decentralized, you don't want a huge firm operating over 50%, really controlling the way that the all of the transacting is done, especially when we're doing a large adoption when you talk about financial systems and countries and possibly currencies adopting XRP as essentially a standardized way to transact, because realistically their technology puts them ahead of a lot of other cryptos when we talk about being adopted in the likes of Visa, even how they have been hinting at that, and that battle where you can see the fear when people talk about XRP, because it is a threat. If they can get out of this SEC lawsuit, if they could substantiate their price and you get crypto to run a little bit, XRP will be a major player for years to come. So lastly, to conclude, we talked about some of the factors that will be influencing XRP's coin price. But however, this is just important to note. These are the take-home points. All right. Right now, number one, the verdict of the SEC lawsuit that is ongoing is most important. All right, that can go either way. Although the scales are tipped slightly in XRP's favor due to testimony and declarations from a lot of people from the former roles within the SEC, and their basically testimony is going to. It's in favor of XRP right now, so it'll be interesting to see how that lawsuit is resolved. Okay, so the IPO after that is resolved will play a role into this price, how they partner with the financial institutions, like I talked about, and how this will be mass adopted from retail investors outside of these institutional investors. Okay. And also CBDC ventures by the central banks. So you can obviously see the roadmap where XRP is headed, how they want to be adopted, and how they want to be implemented within society, and how that volume from all of those avenues could influence the XRP token price in the years to come. So obviously, all crypto right now is hugely a pool of uncertainty. However, XRP is something to keep your eye on, because if they get out of this SEC lawsuit and they survive all of the, the M&A or whatever that could result from crypto being cracked down on, and if they could be one of the few to survive after all the dust settles, XRP could run, and it could be a huge multiple from the price action that we are seeing today. So let me know what you guys think about Ripple. XRP will be on my radar for years to come, and let's talk about it some more. I'm going to have some videos to follow up after this SEC stuff subsides. It may take a while, but we'll definitely have updates along the way, and we will see you all on the next one.